Splitting supplier invoices across multiple jobs in Fergus is simple. When an invoice arrives in your Fergus account, it may include materials that need to be allocated to different jobs or job phases. Here's how to split them with ease. Start by navigating to the Supplier Docs tab at the top of your Fergus dashboard. Find the invoice you want to split, then click the ellipses button on the right-hand side and select Split Invoice. You'll see a list of all items included on the invoice. To assign an entire line, tick the checkbox next to it. To assign part of a line, adjust the quantity to assign accordingly. Use the search bar at the top to find and select the correct job or job phase you want to assign the items to. Once you're ready, click Assign. Quick tip: if there are materials you don't need to assign to any job, you can choose to ignore them here too. After splitting, you'll see two sections for assigned and unassigned items. You can continue assigning the remaining items now or come back later. Fergus will label the invoice as partially assigned until all items are allocated. Just click Assign to finish when you're ready. These same steps apply when you're handling supplier credits too, making it easy to keep everything organised. With Fergus, splitting invoices is quick, clear, and ensures every item ends up exactly where it should be.